Okay, class, we are in another episode of learning how to trace out some logos or logos in an already done form. All right, probably if you saw a logo and you wish you want to trace it out exactly how it is, there is a way out in CorelDraw and how you can trace out a beautiful logo from its original copy. Okay, so my name is Bolaji Johnson, your coach, and if you are just joining me for the first time, do well to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the like button and also share my tutorials to other people that wish to learn how to design in CorelDraw. All right, so quickly, this is another logo I wish to teach you guys how to trace it out easily in CorelDraw. All right, so the first thing that you need to know as a graphic designer when it comes to logo tracing is knowing how to use your shape tool. And this is your shape tool. This very tool enables you to trace out objects, shapes, especially in CorelDraw. So guys, I want you to sit back and relax and learn from me on how to trace out logos in CorelDraw. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do here, if you have this type of logo to trace out, is this. Trace this out is this. Okay, draw out your rectangle tool. So I'm going to use two formats. I'm going to teach you two formats to get this type of logo done. All right, so and this will help you, and it depends on the one that you know is best used for you at the end of the day. All right, so make sure you don't skip each and every point I'm trying to bring out in this tutorial. All right, so come here. Once you have dragged out your box, click on Ctrl Q. Okay, then this angle stands for here. This angle stands for here. Okay, then this angle stands for here. This angle stands for here. All right. Okay, so this angle stands for here. Then this angle comes here. All right, so we have this angle here, we have this angle here. All right, we have lots of angles here, so you must be attentive to this lecture. Okay, we have another angle here, we have another angle here. Hope you are getting this. All right, then you double click and bring this angle here. You double click, bring this angle here. You double click, bring this here. You double click, bring this here. So simple. Then the last angle is double click and drag this. Oh, that is not the last angle. Close to it. All right, then you bring this here. You double click and bring this here. So this is so simple for us to learn and understand. All right, so this is one format that you can use to get this done. So let's move to the next one, which is Bezier tool. All right, you can come to this aspect, click on Bezier tool, then start double clicking. Okay, these tools, you can use these tools so well by double clicking and meeting at meet at the same points once you are done with it. All right, so let's assume that we are starting from this point. So while you are moving around, okay, you must end your lines or your tracing at this point as well. So let's start. You click on this, then you come here, you click, you come here, you click, you come here, you click. So you keep tracing it. This is what you are seeing. So you trace it along the way, right? Okay, then you move, you move, you move, you move, remove, and here. So which one is more appropriate to you guys? Which one is more appropriate? You can see that if you don't want to use your box tool with the help of shape tool, you can use your brazier tool alone, all right, but in a different way. So this is how you can also come up with this type of tracing when it comes to logo design. All right, so I believe we've all learned one or two things here as well. So in my next class, I'll be teaching you how to trace out logos from the original copy. So guys, thank you for staying up to this extent. I'll meet you in my next class. God bless you.